Your eyes look kind of bloodshot right now.
Yeah, it's windy and cold. I've been outside all morning.
If I get you tested right now, you're not going to test positive?
No.
You're all done. 90 days.
Come on, I'm just getting my
90
stuff
days.
together. I've been doing, I know,
February
but
19th.
please, come on,
I
please.
gave you your chance on
Judge,
February 19th.
please.
And
I'll
you were
do the
clean and
AODA.
sober. Nope.
I'll do the AODA then.
This completely idiotic defendant is in court after abusing drugs. He was in court 11 days prior to this hearing, and he was abusing drugs once again. So this was his second time being caught within 11 days. And somehow he's still on probation. He's been getting multiple chances, and now the judge is finally sick of this dude's act. And he even comes into court high. So on top of all of that, this dude is begging and pleading, saying his life is on track. He's been doing better, but obviously we hear that all the time, and it's usually not true. So yeah, this video is pretty much a no-nonsense judge who completely rips this clueless defendant who thinks he just gets unlimited chances in the court system, and then he pretty much just gets humbled in this one. But yeah, let's dive in and watch this dude get completely humbled here.
We're set here today for a probation review hearing, and there was a recommendation from your standpoint and Department of Corrections standpoint, but now you are back from vacation and you can provide the court with an update on where we are now from February 19th and where Mr. Flannery is and if he is actually meeting the conditions of the court.
He is not meeting the conditions of the court. He showed up on the 28th of February and he admitted to using methamphetamine.
I'm sorry, I have to turn you up a bit. Go ahead.
Do you want me to repeat?
Yeah, no, you don't have to repeat, but
Okay.
Can you bring the microphone just a little bit closer?
During that office visit, he was told about the GED boot camp. He did fill out the paperwork while he was in the office, and we did email it to the GED boot camp to make sure it got there. He did come back on the 14th, and he was positive for marijuana, and he stated that it was not new use. But I did not realize at that time that he didn't test positive, or he didn't admit to it when he came into the office the first time. So I believe it was probably new use, but he was negative for methamphetamines at that time. He has not handed in any of the job logs, but he did state that he was hired full-time with his wife's uncle, I believe. He was told that he needed to bring in documentation, like fill out the days and the times and have the boss sign it, verifying that that's what he worked. And he was supposed to bring it to court today. And he has not.
Okay. Mr. Flannery. All right, so you were here in court on the 19th. You then saw your DOC agent on the 28th and you admitted to consuming methamphetamine, correct?
Correct.
So from February 19th, in which you were in court and the court set very strict conditions and did not order conditional jail, you used methamphetamine between February 19th and February 28th. Correct?
Yep.
And then between February 19th and March 14th, you used, at least you used THC marijuana, correct?
Correct.
Now, I have a notation that you've paid in your probation cases, is that correct? Have you made any payments?
Yeah,
When did you make payments?
I made, after the first 2 weeks, because you said $50 a week. After the first 2 weeks, I paid 100. I paid 50 last week, and I have 50 this week, Friday.
All right, but you still owe a significant amount.
Yeah.
All right, you understand one of those conditions that the court did order was absolute sobriety. Understand that?
Yeah.
I mean, that is one of the conditions, not only that is part of why you were not ordered for conditional jail on February 19th, but that is one of the conditions for your probation. You understand that? Understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And so now we have two admitted uses of not only THC, but methamphetamine. And we're talking February 19th to February 28th is not that long in time, right?
Right.
Ms. Lineweber, is there a recommendation from Department of Corrections?
There was not.
You don't have a recommendation?
No, I'm sorry. I just assumed we would bring it to you and then you would decide what you
Okay.
wanted to do.
Mr. Flannery, is there anything that you want to tell the court or you want to let me know?
Yeah, I mean, the drug use, I guess I understand it was a rule that I broke, but it was a more of a slip up and I'm doing pretty good.
Your eyes look kind of bloodshot right now.
Yeah, it's windy and cold. I've been outside all morning.
If I get you tested right now, you're not going to test positive?
No,
I guarantee if this judge tests this guy right now, he's going to come back positive. If you're doing methamphetamines and THC, I mean, that's not even a slip up. You did one and then another. I mean, that's two separate issues. And I don't think most people are addicted to two things at once. He might be, but I mean, this guy is trying to claim his life is coming together finally, but he just did a slip up. I'm pretty sure people don't just use methamphetamines once and then they stop. Like, that's an ongoing issue as it's obviously pretty addictive. And considering he had a hearing only 11 days ago, and then in that time period, he's now slipping up, I mean, that's kind of just like an arrogance. And it's going to be really hard for this dude to try to convince the judge not to lock him up today because he is looking at up to 90 days in jail. So now everything is on the judge at this point, considering he messed up again. Let's see if this dude gets locked up.
Okay. What else?
well, now that I've been working full time, I can make my payments for sure.
And who are you working for?
M5 Construction is the company. His name's Kevin Miller.
Oh, I know Kevin Miller.
Yeah,
And who is he to you?
he's my uncle-in-law.
So I have one memorandum from the Department of Corrections from March 17th. I had another memorandum, but I don't know which file that was filed in. Did you file a memorandum prior to the last hearing?
I did requesting the hearing.
Requesting the hearing. Do you remember what date that was?
I do not. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. December 23rd, 2024 was a memorandum requesting a hearing. He wasn't paying his fines and fees. He didn't get his GED. He didn't complete the AODA. Oh, that's another reason. That's what we discussed, the AODA last time and with the absolute sobriety. All right, anything else that you want me to know, Mr. Flannery?
I guess not.
All right. Well, based upon what occurred on February 19th and based upon what occurred between February 19th and today, the court is going to order 90 days of conditional jail to start immediately today. You'll be taken up right now. 90 days conditional jail.
Can I get one more?
Nope, you're all done. I gave it to you on
I've
February
been- no.
19th. You're all done. 90 days.
Come on, I'm just getting my
90
stuff
days.
together. I've been doing,
I gave you leniency on
give me
February
a chance
19th.
at least to,
I gave you a chance
I
on
know,
February
but
19th.
please, come on,
I
please.
gave you your chance on
Judge,
February 19th.
please.
You have not done your AODA since I sentenced you, Mr. Flannery.
You said
did I
about the
sentence you?
AODA,
When did I sentence you?
you said about AODA, remember you said we're gonna just put that aside right
If
now and worry about the
you're
other stuff.
clean.
We'll worry about the other things. Okay, so I'll
And you were
do the
clean and
AODA.
sober. Nope,
I'll do the AODA then.
90 days.
I'm
Bring him
signed up to
upstairs.
do my
We're
GED.
adjourned.
Your Honor, please, come on.
90 days.
No. Come on, please.
90 days. 100 days.
What?
You just swore 100 days.
Wow, we're finally getting to see a judge who actually sticks with their word and gives out real consequences. Usually we see judges handing out probation left and right these days. I mean, it is a common occurrence, and especially since the jails are overcrowded and whatnot, and a lot of people give the judges a lot of crap for sentencing people to a lot of days in jail and everything. I think this is 100% justified. I mean, this dude literally used drugs like within 11 days of his last hearing, and now he's trying to beg the judge. I don't understand it personally. I mean, I do, because this guy is obviously an idiot and whatnot. I would expect somebody who's obviously guilty of using and then begging the judge, like, just own up to it, man. I mean, this is just a good learning lesson for him, and I think those extra 10 days will honestly be good for him. I know a lot of people are going to say it's harsh that the judge added those 10 extra days, but when you're just arrogant like that and kind of trying to defy the judge in the court, I think consequences like this are 100% justified. Let me know what you guys think.